To access the fuel filter, first make sure the wheels are off on the driver's side. Then remove the fender. This fender is secured by guard clips, which you can remove using screwdriver. Be careful because you can snap them easily. Also, there's a small screw which holds the fender from the bottom, which you will also need to remove. Once all the guard pins and screw is removed, you can gently pull the fender towards you. Now you can access the fuel filter. So using a 10mm, just remove this bolt and then you can access the fuel filter. Just gonna get a flathead screwdriver and try to remove the connection. So here's the replacement fuel filter made in Morocco. This is a pretty good one, just plug and play. So unlike the other fuel filter where I will have to take the filter off from the housing, remove the screw, in this one I don't have to do that. So it's just a straight swap and it's ready to go. Before I would just also mention, so this, you can take it off just like this and I'll put it on the new one. Once the fuel filter is installed, put the key in the ignition, let the fuel pump run the fuel into the fuel filter, wait for a minute or so, and then you can start the car. Now I'll put the plastic trim back and put everything back. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that thing, and I'll see you for next time. Goodbye.